Hey, it's Ryder's Garage here. I have that painted. It's pretty bright and do make that motor mount black again. I just got my parts back from the sandblasting shop. I'm painting this Chrysler blue. It's a little bit odd, but I decided it'd look cool if the engine was red and the manifold is blue. And then here's that valve cover. I'll be putting that back on today. But yeah, I gotta clean it up. I touched it with dirty hands. And then yeah, get that on. Put paint on this. I won't do too much today, but do a little bit. I gotta repair the exhaust. The exhaust manifold's off, and the exhaust is cut down there because it was rusted and cracked. So yeah, I can't really assemble stuff, but I can paint stuff, put the valve cover back on, and that'll be about it for today. So we got a couple coats on the intake manifold here, and we got a little just rough coat on the valve cover here. Looks way better now that it's sandblasted. Yeah, I'm gonna keep putting coats on here, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, I was gonna show you guys this. I bought a 318 Dodge engine. Has lots of parts taken off of it. The guy needed parts, but we're gonna be tearing that apart, cleaning it up, trying to get it running. One video here, so that'll be cool. So hey YouTube, haven't made a little video in a little bit, but I had the exhaust manifold sandblasted. We got that piece off. We brought it into the shop. We got that remade. Those two that I snapped, I got out. This one I have not got out yet, so I need to still get that bolt out. It's looking pretty good. Some high temperature paint. Do a couple more coats tomorrow. That's that exhaust manifold I showed you. That's painted, ready to go. Have some carbs here. I was thinking about rebuilding them, and I could get a new one on Amazon for about $100, so I just bought a new one. That's coming in. And yeah, probably do an install tomorrow on this exhaust manifold, so we'll make a video on that. So I got the new thermostat and the gasket. It goes there. Let's install this. Just if you're doing this on your old car, make sure that the engine is not hot. So we got that new thermostat and the water thing on. Next up, we got some new heater hoses. We're gonna install those. They go into there and then over and through that clip and down into there. So the exhaust manifold's on. Gonna put the intake on and see how it looks. Well, that's a wrap for today. Have to put that exhaust piece back on. I got that there. It looks pretty good in my opinion. But yeah, continue that in the next video.